Once upon a time, in a small town named Sugarville, lived a curious little girl named Lily. She was known for her adventurous spirit and her love for cooking. One day, she discovered a strange, glowing marshmallow in her backyard. Lily picked up the marshmallow, its golden hue shimmering under the sunlight. She wondered, what could this be? She decided to take it home and see if she could unravel its mystery. At home, she asked her mother, who was a skilled chef, about the glowing marshmallow. Her mother, intrigued, suggested they roast it to reveal its secret. They lit a safe fire in the backyard and roasted the marshmallow. As it bubbled and popped, Lily and her mother watched with anticipation. Suddenly, a sweet, aromatic scent filled the air. When the marshmallow was perfectly roasted, they let it cool and then took a bite. To their surprise, it tasted like a blend of honey, vanilla, and magic. They were amazed and delighted. Lily's mother explained, "This marshmallow is a rare, magical one. It's not just a sweet treat but a symbol of hard work, patience, and curiosity. Roasting it taught us the importance of taking things slowly, letting them grow and revealing their true potential." From that day forward, Lily understood the value of patience and curiosity, and she applied this lesson to all her adventures. She learned that every mystery, just like the glowing marshmallow, held a lesson waiting to be discovered. And so, the mystery of the glowing marshmallow not only satisfied Lily's curiosity but also helped her grow as a kind, patient, and adventurous girl. And she continued to roast marshmallows, always ready to unravel the next mystery.